Tonight was supposed to be a simple dinner, until I found out we were having guests. 6 people, 1 evening, and absolutely no complicated dinner plan. So I decided to make one dish that could actually carry the whole dinner: creamy garlic chicken biryani. Nothing complicated, just chicken, basmati rice, garlic, cream, Parmesan, aromatics, and a few spices. First, the chicken. Yogurt, lemon, garlic, and spices go straight into the bowl. Give it 20 to 30 minutes in the refrigerator while we get everything else ready. And because every good biryani needs something sweet and deeply golden, we let the onions slowly caramelize. This part takes time, so don't rush it. Now the chicken goes into a hot pan in a single layer. Let it actually brown instead of constantly moving it around. And the important part, chicken is done when the thickest piece reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Now we use all those golden bits left in the pan. Cream, Parmesan, and garlic turn those pan juices into a rich sauce. Back goes the chicken, just long enough to coat every piece. While the chicken is resting in that sauce, we start the rice. Into boiling salted water go bay leaf, cinnamon, and cardamom. We're not cooking the rice completely yet. It finishes cooking later during the final steam. Now comes the part that makes this feel like biryani. Rice first, then creamy garlic chicken, then another layer of rice. Finish with those golden onions, fresh parsley, and a little garam masala. Cover it tightly, turn the heat low, and let the rice finish cooking gently in its own steam. This is where the flavors come together. I didn't want 6 complicated side dishes, so I kept the rest fresh and simple. Something cool, something warm, and something tangy. That's enough to make the table feel complete. And just as I finished setting the table, the biryani was finally ready. Fluffy rice, juicy garlic chicken, creamy sauce, and those caramelized onions on top. And honestly, this is why I love making one impressive main dish instead of 10 complicated ones. Everything works together, but the biryani still gets to be the star. The funny thing is, I thought I was making dinner for 6, but apparently I should have made it for 12.